Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming service status and account standing. This rules out a provider outage. Once confirmed, power cycle the router, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to clear transient faults. Make sure to connect a laptop via Ethernet cable to the router. This isolates Wi-Fi variables and shows whether the issue is modem-related versus wireless. If the WAN light is off, note the error code. That tells you whether the line, login, or modem needs attention. Next, inspect the physical line. Test with and without ADSL/VDSL filters, listen for line noise on a corded phone, and check the master socket wiring. Faulty sockets cause drops. Once done, log into 192, 168, 1, and verify WANPP-PoE username and password plus the router firmware. Outdated firmware can break stability. If settings are clearly corrupted, perform a factory reboot, but first export your customized configuration so you can restore it. To finish, run speed and stability tests at multiple times to confirm recovery and document LED patterns and exact timestamps. This helps escalation. If issues remain, swap in a known good router or use a mobile SIM hotspot to confirm whether the line or the hardware is at fault. Finally, call Vodafone support with your collected logs, LED behavior, and test results. Ask for a line test and engineer visit. If an engineer is assigned, be ready to demonstrate the failing steps and hand over your documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.